How to manage notifications on LinkedIn. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on LinkedIn easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to linkedin.com and now log into your account, and this is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is go to the top right here and click on settings. And now it will take you to this page. You have to go to communications right here, and now you will find this page. Click on push. As you can see, now you have the push notifications. You can turn off or turn on whatever you want right here by clicking on it, and turn off or turn on as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.